Lecture 11. Tips for sharing on social media and portfolios. Creating art is one thing, sharing it well is another. Whether you're hoping to grow an audience, apply for creative opportunities, or simply express yourself, how you present your images matters. A beautifully generated piece can be overlooked if posted without context or clarity, while a thoughtfully shared word can resonate far and wide. In this lecture, we will look at practical ways to showcase your AI-generated images on social media and in professional portfolios. You will learn where to share your work, how to format it, what to write alongside it, and how to avoid common posting mistakes so your creation gets attention they deserve. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to identify the best platforms for showcasing your mid-journey artwork, understand how to format and present images for social media and portfolios, write effective captions and context to accompany your art, avoid common mistakes when sharing AI-generated work, why presentation matters. Think of your image as the product and your portfolio or post as the packaging. A well-made image can be overlooked if it's poorly framed or shared without context. On the other hand, even a simple piece can attract attention when presented well. Whether you are applying for internships, selling prints, or just growing your online presence, a strong presentation sets you apart. Where to share? Choosing the right platform. Each platform serves a different purpose. Here's the breakdown of the most common ones. Instagram, ideal for visual storytelling, curated galleries, and hashtags. Great for artists and designers. Behance or Dribble, professional platform for design portfolios. Add project descriptions and progress charts. Pinterest, use it to attract traffic to your work and build mood boards. DeviantArt, a large creative community, especially for concept art and fantasy styles. Personal website, great for full control, combine visuals, artist statement, contact info, and blog updates. Choose platforms based on your goals. Want feedback? Use art communities. Want exposure? Use social media. Want a polished archive? Build a site. How to format your work for online sharing. When uploading your images, resolution. Use upscaled versions for sharp, clean visuals. Cropping. Avoid awkward cuts. Use consistent dimensions, especially on Instagram grids. For example, Square or 4:5 for vertical impact. Watermarking. Optional. If you're concerned about unauthorized use, add a subtle signature. Batch posting. If sharing a series, keep style, tone, and layout consistent across the batch. Also consider how your feed looks overall. People don't just see one image, they scroll through your work as a collection. Writing strong captions and descriptions. Good images catch attention. Good captions keep it. Here's what a strong caption can include. Prompt or concept. Share the original idea or a simplified version of your prompt. Mood or story. Add a sentence about the feeling or narrative behind the image. Style or tools. Mention created with Midjourney and optionally the style used, for example watercolor or digital sketch. Call to action. Invite feedback, ask a question, or link to your full gallery. Example. Prompt. A lost city floating above the clouds. Steampunk style. Exploring scale and detail in this piece. What story do you see unfolding here? Hashtag alert, hashtag midjourney, hashtag digital fantasy. Avoid overloading captions with hashtags or jargons. Stay clear, creative, and intentional. Portfolio tips. Going beyond social media. If you're applying for jobs, internships, or freelance work, having a digital portfolio is essential. Here are some tips. Organize by theme or type. For example, concept art, environments, or portraits. Include process notes. Briefly explain what you are trying to achieve. Be selective. Showcase your best work, not everything you have made. Make it easy to navigate. Clear sections, thumbnails, and project titles matter. Include a contact section or resume page. A strong portfolio should not just show that you can create, but that you think creatively and make thoughtful decisions. Common mistakes to avoid. Sharing too soon. Make sure your image is polished before you post. Posting without context. Don't leave people guessing what they are looking at. Using inconsistent formatting. Cropped, blurry, or mismatched images weaken your presentation. Overusing filters or text overlays. Let the image speak for itself, unless it's part of your style.